Only if you make a start because of this video. You go see about this video. I'm scrolling now. I'm gonna my Facebook. Wherefore, Ijele post with this video. So when button na page Ijele, go nya na po aka Udene. Ijele na page. Wherefore this video a page. Wherefore caption. Which were recommend this video. Or one on tag these people as IPOb. On tag as ESN. Tag her as IPOb. West can draw. These people no kibe. These two kidnappers no kibe. So the police will follow her. I will lead the police to their hideout to no kibe. I will make this thing recovered. And what are mad? And what are so many magazines and the mobile gas. Nkaba bogo nkena ketchori you about to denena tag as IPOb or ESN. Even from that this guy hates Biafra to the last. Or Brazil or Potalone Mozi Ndori na Pazimpampa Nimo State. If all name a boy no these people, no this men on ground. And they make many things maybe this shishi. And they men Anambra State, and they men Enugu, and they men nowhere. There's only by him, even Lagos State and him. People they kidnap people. And name or brozina always if a mezzini Nimo State. If we attack men on ground, it's not him, not this voice of IPOb, you know this voice of IPOb. When you've got these people who kidnapper no thank yourself let you flag Biafra because only flag Biafra. So many people they put up on Biafra. Yes. Non de Biafra, nobody na river. They kidnap them mother or win the Biafra. Ndori member attack or win the Biafra. The Biafra na zopa azo ni mofi na zopa. The said na zopa people ni mofi. Oh yeah, we no believe this man actually Ijele a brutal tag ya. Why? Because that hate I do get in. But keep on. One day. Law of karma. Because no way this government when it came.
Akuna Afugano kwa the Iwuka. You don't do I like Volkswagen 1800. This Opana. This bed bug, you see you. The day Thunder will fire you, you see you. Well, I blame the security forces for allowing idiots like you to be trumpeting all this garbage in defense of all these criminals. Now, for those of you who know the year Igbo, that video will first play. In the talk say me, they blame ESN for everything and say ESN get locked, say Biafra flag no dey there. Oh, so you don't even see the Biafra flag where they that place. First, now that generator house where they construct near that place where they bring that gun. You don't see the Biafra flag where they there. Abi the Kala itself, waiting they take rap am. Waiting they take that rap that Kala. And even when they carry and they come out, you don't see the flag where they come out for there. You see how honor they use on her hand, they expose on herself. I said, no, honor go they use on her hand, they expose on herself. You now you with your own mouth where you know they wash. You don't talk and say, if to say they see the flag, okay, now they don't see the flag, where you get it talk. Watch your own video, no be my own, no, your own video. The video where you use the one where you use your hand post. The one where you analyze, where you put for that video. How many places you see the flag there? You see? On just they see what you want to see. without even seeing the flag. Which other people dey inside bush? Which other people get camp? All of una know say una dey inside bush. Like say, hey, our men, they are in the forest. So who come be all these people wey dey kpai people for inside forest if no be una? We don't ever see una arrest any of them, but all of una camp where they go, they must see people. They must see una dey keep people wey una kidnap. See this one waiting there your front now you no see. You never expose yourself now. Like I said, now government I dey blame. You know say if e dey my power, many of una dey for don recycle all of una tey. Person like you no supposed to breathe again. You